Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Today I have an October Stitch Fix. I just love finding pieces I love. This is one of them that I recently got from Stitch Fix. So I'm kind of addicted to getting clothes I love. So anyway, we have another Stitch Fix box. I'm actually excited about it. I liked some of the choices they gave me in the preview. I'm curious if any of you have tried the newish feature Chat with the Stylist. I feel like I've seen that in my Stitch Fix. I feel like over a month, possibly more. I feel like possibly even 2 months, but I could have been a beta person for it. And so before this box, I decided to utilize that feature and open a message with my assigned Chat with a Stylist. I didn't get a response. Are we supposed to get a response? So I would be very curious if any of you have tried that feature. Because I basically, one of the things I keep getting sent in my boxes are pieces with a lot of white. And white doesn't look good on me. And so I just sent a message basically saying, hey, is there any way you can put a note somewhere that I don't like white and or pieces with a lot of white? And then gave an example. I got no response. So maybe that's not the purpose of that feature. I'm not quite sure if I was supposed to get a response. I assume it would have... I don't know. Maybe I need to check in my app and see. Maybe I somehow got a response, but I didn't know I got a response. I feel like the bundle is something. It's falling apart. The bundle is falling apart. So I picked, I don't know what I picked. 2 of these pieces, possibly. Yeah, the bundle has fallen apart. I don't remember whether I picked 2 pieces or 1 piece. But anywho. And my stylist is Cameron, who is a guy. I don't know if I've ever had a guy stylist, so that's interesting. If I kept every single thing, it would be $169.73 with the discount, and with my credit, so that would be pretty cool. It almost never happens that I keep everything. The first piece up, he picked out, and this is a top. I am interested in what I think of the pattern on me. I like the flutter sleeves. I like green. I'm not into yellows and golds. And I don't know whether it'll come across on camera, but it's like a blurry picture. And so I don't know, kind of like a watercolor, but it literally looks like a blurred picture. This is by Les Ceron. Fawn blouse, $17.97. So this must have been part of their sale. I can kind of see why. I mean, that will definitely influence me. It feels kind of like, I would say, a yucky polyester, but like normal polyester doesn't bother me. I will say I really like this little detail here. I'm interested how it looks. So I don't know. I'm interested. I'm not quite sure I love the blurry photo effect, but I am definitely interested. This is a size extra large. I am loving that it's $17.97. Up next, he chose a Market and Spruce sweater. This feels very soft. I will also say it feels very thin. I like the button detail. The sleeves are a different material. Like this is kind of a weave. And then these are a different material. The sleeve also feels thinner than this. Thin is good for California. I kind of have a borderline. This particular thin feels slightly maybe cheap, but I don't know. It is definitely lightweight, which is again perfect for California. This is kind of a muted green, so I don't know how it'll look on me. It also feels slightly possibly tunic, and I don't like that. But if the color looks good, I love the overall style. This is by Market and Spruce, extra large. Is it the Janice textured button? Yeah, button detail sweater. So this is $49. Now, I believe this is the same top that I just ordered from the sale, and I didn't like that top. So I would assume I'm not going to like this one, but you never know. This is Fortune and Ivy. It is a mixed material. So it's polyester in the front and like a t-shirt material in the back. Extra large. This is the Frankie Flutter sleeve. And this is $39. So I did like this little eyelet thing. I had picked this. I think I picked this one. I picked this before I tried on the other. Now, the other one was like a teal and white and then a solid teal in the back. So red is a good color on me. I don't have a bunch of red. I just wasn't excited about the fit of the other one. It seemed boxy or something. But you never know. This could be, you know, different because it's a solid. So I'm excited to try it on. I won't discount it straight away. And I have really been wanting to add more burgundy into my wardrobe. Is this burgundy? Or is this like a plum? I'm not quite sure. Now, it says burgundy on the thing, but I don't know. In person, it's kind of reading like a plumish color, like a purpley burgundy. But anyway, I liked the look of this. It is sort of a crisscross. I think there is a little bit of a puffy balloon sleeve going on. I could be wrong though. A slight one is good. So I do love this color. I overall love the style of the sweater. Now it looks like it's a true wrap. So there is sort of like a whole situation here. Hopefully it's locked tight and doesn't droop or anything. This also feels really soft. I overall really like it. I'm going to be honest. I really need to do like a winter check. Because I have a feeling I have quite a few plum burgundy sort of things, and I don't necessarily want to wear a burgundy sweater every day. So I need to quickly go check what I have. This is Montgomery Post, which I don't think I've tried much by them. Blythe Surplus Sweater, $49. I am excited about this. I hope it fits. Now, this is the piece I chose and I'm probably the most excited about. Now, in person, this is more, I don't know if it's reading it on camera. I was thinking this was going to be dark denim, and it is dark, but it's kind of reading a, I don't know, like a dark denim with a gray or with a dirty is not the right word. I love Cosmic Blue Love. They are my favorite jeans at this point. I kind of wonder if it's like a sneaky house brand for Stitch Fix, because I've tried to look up Cosmic Blue Love and like go to a website to buy them separately, and I don't seem to find it. These are $98. I hope I love them. They're always stretchy. They're this buttery soft blend. I really need dark. I hope these fit. I will say, I think I'm getting to this awkward point where my original size 14s that I bought like a year ago are getting too big, but I don't think 12s are quite there yet. Now, I will say my Cosmic Blue Love so far have been still fitting perfectly, so I'm hoping that is the case with these guys. I'm super excited. I just love Cosmic Blue Love. They are so soft. They are stretchy. I think they're perfect for people like me who have a bigger stomach, a smaller butt and thigh. So it's 32% cotton, 26 polyester, 23 modal, 16 lyocell, and then 3% elastane. They do not stretch like more than they are, which for 3% elastane, I kind of expected them to, but they are just the coziest, softest, buttery, smooth. I hope they fit. I will be so sad if they don't. I kind of feel like this could be a real close potential for a 5 for 5. But I think these guys are the kicker. Like, I know I didn't like this in the other color, and I'm interested how this translates in person. So let's get to the best part, which is the try on. All right, I think Cameron did pretty good. I really like this sweater in the fact of the, like up here, I love the button detail. I like the, it's not really a waffle knit, but whatever the pattern is, it has different sleeves. This is, what is this? The Market and Spruce Janice textured button top, $49. I will say, I started with it first because I just thought maybe it would be an instant no. It is longer in the front than I would like. I don't think it's a deal breaker. If it was a 5 for 5, I would be okay with it. But It is one of those, I feel like it's longer in the front. The back, I don't mind so much, but I do think it is longer than I would like. Let's go there. I don't think the color is super bad. These jeans are 1000% staying. I just love Cosmic Blue. They fit perfect in every way. They fit my butt and thighs. They fit my stomach. I love these. They are a dark wash. I need a dark wash. They are absolutely staying with me. I love them. I keep kind of watching. I go to the categories and look at Cosmic Blue Love. This is the first time in a while they've had some new jeans, but at least on the category side, they haven't. So I love these jeans. They are staying with me. And I feel like this sweater would be okay if it was a 5 for 5. I don't think the color is like optimal, but it's also not terrible. I really like a lot about it. If it wasn't so long in the front, I would love it. But let's go to the next pieces. All right, this is the same top I had tried on in that freestyle video. And I kind of have the same feeling. I like it a little better in solid red. This is Fortune & Ivy Frankie Flutter Sleeve for $39. I do love the V-neck. I like this little eyelet or whatever you call it. I love the flutter sleeve. There's something with the hem. It kind of like is like wavy. It is not bad. I kind of don't like the t-shirt material in the back. There's nothing wrong with this top. I have nothing to say, you know, anything bad. I'm not in love with it. Same with like I was with the teal one in that video. I do think the hem here is wonky or cheaply done. Like even holding it down, like it's not even. So I don't mind this. I do think red is a good color on me, but I don't think this is a keeper. I don't think we're doing a 5 for 5. I don't love this top. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Kind of the same with this, although I like this one a lot better. I think the color is maybe slightly not saturated enough for me. I love the buttons. I love the feel of it. It is slightly too long. So I think both of these, nothing bad to say, but I think they're not keepers. All right, let's go to the next. All right, this one, I need your help. This is only $17.97. This is the Lace Aron Fawn blouse. I like the neckline. I like this little collar. I like the V-neck. I love the buttons down. I like this little green stripe. Love the flutter sleeves. I love green. I don't think the yellow is bad. I will say this is sort of a thicker, rougher polyester, and it's like a printed. Like this print is printed. And this is like, again, I can't tell if it's coming across in camera, but in person, this is like a blurry picture, and it's weird. I've never seen a pattern where it literally looks blurry. I think it looks nice. I think it's cut well. You know, it's funny. I don't think it's too far off from the red one, but for whatever reason, I like this one better. I don't know. I kind of like this and the jeans together. I kind of think I like this top. I kind of think I like it. I don't know. It's 17 bucks. I don't know. There's so much I like about it. I think the question is, does the yellow doesn't usually look good on me. So is the yellow a problem? Is the blurry pattern a problem? I don't know. I kind of like it. Like I'm kind of, other than tomorrow's Friday, and I usually wear like holiday headbands, and since it's the first Friday in October, I kind of was thinking more of like a Halloween shirt and my headband. But I don't know. I would kind of be jazzed to wear this to school tomorrow. Like I kind of like it. I kind of like it. So I could use your help for sure on this green top. What do we think? All right, we have the burgundy plumish one, and I really like it in person. So I'm interested to see how it goes trying on. All right, I am back with this, and I think I like it. I like the V-neck. I like the sleeves. It's a little balloonish, but very petite and demure, so I don't mind that at all. I could probably do without this crisscross thing. It kind of is flappy here. I would probably feel like I needed to put a little fabric glue somewhere here. But it is super soft, super comfortable. I really kind of like it. I don't know though. I could use some help on this one too. Like, I don't know. I am kind of torn with this fix. The pants are staying. I cut the tags off already. And so this is where we get into Stitch Fix math. So the pants are 100. It only cost me $169 to keep everything. This particular top is basically 50, so it's 49. Then after that, it's basically $19 to keep 3 pieces. And I really do like this one, I think. I really didn't think I would. I will say I don't like the printed pattern sort of thing on the polyester. But as long as you guys tell me the yellow doesn't look bad on me, I kind of like this top. And I'm kind of torn whether I just keep this top and the pants for basically $117, or do I then, if I was going to keep those for $117, it's basically $50 for 3 tops. And so that's the problem. Like the red top, is it bad? No. Do I love, love, love it? No. So is it better to send it back? This is probably for me, the red one is like the worst top out of the deal. This top, how did it look? I really love the buttons. As long as you guys tell me the color looks okay, I like the color. It is a little longer than I would like, but not a deal breaker. So Stitch Fix math, I hate that. The other question is, do I love, love, love this top? Because if I love, love, love this top, then I feel like it's kind of stupid not to keep these for basically free. This is 50, that is 17, so we're basically at 69. And you're basically getting 2 free tops. Sadly, I don't love, love either of them, but it's basically like 2 free tops. I can't decide if I love this. It has like one of those like gathered waistline. So it's like a thicker waistline. Then it has this crisscross. I love the sleeves. I love the feel. I love the color. I love the V-neck. But I have lumps and bumps right here. And I kind of wonder if the way this shirt is put together, if it highlights. I kind of feel like it highlights my pudge versus where I feel like this flows beautifully and doesn't highlight. So I don't know. I may have to play back some video. I may have to, you know, try it on tomorrow, watch it tomorrow. Maybe try it on with some different pants, because I do feel like that it's kind of highlighting my tummy. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I was planning on showing this like in like 4 or 5 days from now, but I don't know. I may need your help sooner. I don't know what to do. I think I might extend my due date, and what do I do? Stitch Fix math is really troubling here. The pants are for sure. This is really close. So maybe I just keep this in the pants. I don't know, guys. Let me know. I'm all ears. What do you guys think? Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.